Have you ever wondered why some creators seem to effortlessly generate millions of views while others struggle to break past a few hundred? The secret isn't luck or magic. It's about understanding exactly what the YouTube algorithm wants and giving it precisely that. Today, I'm going to show you the revolutionary approach that's transforming how creators discover their next viral video ideas. Picture this scenario. You spend hours crafting what you think is amazing content, only to watch it disappear into the YouTube void with barely any views. Meanwhile, another creator posts something seemingly simple and it explodes overnight. The difference isn't talent or production value, it's the idea itself. The game has completely changed. We're living in an era where artificial intelligence can analyze millions of data points in seconds, revealing the exact topics your audience craves before they even know they want them. Tools like TubeMagic AI are revolutionizing video ideation by combining massive search volume data with competition analysis to identify golden opportunities. Here's what most creators get wrong about video ideas. They either copy what's already been done to death, or they create content based purely on their own interests without considering what people are actually searching for. Both approaches are a recipe for failure in today's saturated landscape. The smart approach involves leveraging AI technology to find that sweet spot where high search volume meets low competition. Think of it like digital gold mining. You're not just randomly digging anywhere hoping to strike it rich. You're using sophisticated tools to identify exactly where the treasure lies buried. TubeMagic AI operates by analyzing YouTube's vast database of search queries, trending topics, and engagement patterns. It identifies emerging niches before they become oversaturated. This means you can position yourself at the forefront of rising trends instead of jumping on bandwagons when they're already overcrowded. The process starts with understanding your audience's core interests and pain points. But instead of guessing what they want, you're using data-driven insights to see exactly what they're searching for. The AI analyzes search volume trends, identifies content gaps, and reveals opportunities that human research might miss. What makes this approach particularly powerful is its ability to spot emerging trends before they peak. While other creators are still making yesterday's content, you're already creating tomorrow's viral videos. The algorithm rewards freshness and relevance, and AI tools help you stay ahead of the curve. Competition analysis becomes effortless when you have artificial intelligence doing the heavy lifting. Instead of manually researching hundreds of channels and videos, the AI instantly identifies which topics have high demand but limited quality content. These are your golden opportunities for breakthrough videos. The beauty of using AI for video ideation lies in its objectivity. Human intuition can be wrong, but data doesn't lie. When an AI tool shows you a topic with massive search volume and minimal competition, you're looking at a verified opportunity rather than a hopeful guess. Search volume data reveals exactly how many people are actively looking for specific content. High search volume means guaranteed audience demand, but high search volume with high competition means you'll struggle to get noticed. The magic happens when you find high search volume topics that haven't been properly addressed yet. Low competition doesn't mean nobody has made content on the topic. It means the existing content either isn't optimizing properly for search, isn't satisfying viewer intent, or isn't produced with enough quality to dominate the space. These gaps represent your opportunities. TubeMagic AI excels at identifying these content gaps by analyzing multiple factors simultaneously. It considers search trends, competitor performance, seasonal patterns, and audience behavior to present you with ideas that have genuine viral potential. The traditional method of brainstorming video ideas is like throwing darts blindfolded. You might occasionally hit the target, but most attempts miss completely. AI-powered ideation is like having perfect vision and laser guidance. Your hit rate increases dramatically. Success on YouTube increasingly depends on making strategic content decisions rather than creative gambles. The creators who consistently generate massive views aren't necessarily the most creative. They're the most strategic about choosing topics with built-in audience demand. This systematic approach removes the frustration and guesswork from content creation. Instead of wondering whether your next video will succeed, you can move forward with confidence knowing you've chosen a topic with verified audience interest and manageable competition. The time savings alone make AI ideation tools invaluable. What used to require days or weeks of research can now be accomplished in minutes. This efficiency allows you to focus your energy on creating exceptional content rather than endless topic research. Remember, even the most engaging video will struggle if it's addressing a topic nobody's searching for. Conversely, mediocre content on high-demand topics often outperforms masterpieces on obscure subjects. The topic choice is that critical. The algorithm prioritizes content that satisfies user intent quickly and effectively. When you create videos on topics people are actively searching for, you're working with the algorithm instead of against it. This natural alignment leads to better performance across all metrics. AI tools like TubeMagic represent the future of content strategy. Creators who embrace these technologies early gain significant competitive advantages over those who rely on outdated research methods. The gap will only widen as these tools become more sophisticated. Ready to transform your approach to video ideation and start creating content? The algorithm actually wants to promote? Click the link in the description below to watch my complete tutorial on using TubeMagic AI and try it out for yourself. Your breakthrough video might be just one AI-generated idea away.